cannot believe it. This is worse than before. Look, thank heavens you didn't go.
Yeah, I know.
Imagine, oh, it'd be so scary. It's like that flood in, you know, when I had to drive to work that time and it was flooded everywhere. Oh, I don't think she can drive in this pool. It's terrible.
Well, I can't now. Certainly.
Oh, God.
Oh, you can video it from there though, that's good. Is it recording? Oh, it is. Wow.
Oh, golly gosh.
Oh, someone's going out to the car with some stuff. What the hell?
What?
Someone's going out to their car with a bag of stuff like they're leaving.
Oh.